videos. Today, we've been a little lazy with it lately because the weather and just me personally. But today, I'm going to be doing a nice little video for y'all on the Street Fighter LA spoiler on my 2021 Camaro 6th Gen for y'all. Stay tuned as we're going to get this installed today by Outrageous Customs here in Killeen. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and like. I appreciate y'all support. Stay tuned for more, and I appreciate you guys all. Sheesh. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how the spoiler looks before and then after. At the end of the video, obviously you're going to see the final result. But the beginning is this right now. Sheesh. Come on, Siani, tell them what you're going to do. Ándale, mama, give me neat. Say hi to my sis and my other sis and my beautiful girl. She's going to be a car girl too, showing y'all what's up. But look it, there's a spoiler. No color at all. It's gonna get sanded. This part's gonna get fixed on the fiberglass. Everything's gonna get touched up and then installed. That's my boy right there. Look at him peeing already. Oh my gosh! Ooh! Come on.
Why did he do that?
First back in day in the house again and he already pissed. Míralo. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Alright, back to the topic. We're gonna get this fixed, right, Siani? Say yeah! Gee! Alright guys, we're on the way to the shop. We're about to be pulling up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're here. It's about to get installed. Give you a nice little walkthrough of the vehicle, how it looks now. Screw this freaking mask. It's looking nice. Check it out. And we're gonna give a nice little walk to the actual shop. Got the spoiler right here, boys. Look at that. Paint matched and all, boys. Check it out. Pretty dope. Watch out, guys. Check it out. Nice little walkthrough. Look at this.
I'm gonna like really just freaking try to knock this one out real quick.
That's a little walkthrough, guys. Check it out. Whole shop looking clean. Stay tuned for when it's installed. I'll get you guys a nice little clip. Early in the morning, I can barely even freaking speak, but y'all know the deal. Sheesh. Alright guys, look at it. Check it out. Pretty nice, right? Now we're gonna spray it down with some of this magical ultimate waterless wash and wax. Maguire, make sure you sponsor me. Look at this. Shout out to Outrageous Customs and Killeen for hooking it up with this job. Now we're getting it ready for tonight's car meet. Goku making some dope impressions now in the car seat. Stay tuned for tonight. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of the car meet. You'll see other amazing cars and see how Goku presents itself at night. Thanks. Sheesh.
I know for a fact that
Let them know, bro. Let them know, bro. Tell them that you'll race everybody here.
we got it on.
Tell them, bro. Come on. No, man, this shit clean, bro. It's a real one? It's clean.
It's for sale, man, for $2.
Hey, dale.
Huh?
Is that yours?
No, it's Michael's, but I try to sell his car everywhere I go.
Cómpreselo. Sáquele uno de 10, de volada.
People trying to sell those for
De volada.
A lot of them, yeah. I think it's gonna go. They're going back
Sheesh, my
up.
boy about to get one for
Mine's
10
worth more now
bucks.
than what I paid.
You already know.
That's a real Daytona though, right?
Cheers, boys.
I think it's an 18.
Dale, Ceballos.
Actual Daytonas, like the real ones that didn't come out in like 40, 70 years, they were going for like 90,000. Yeah, they're all going back up.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on, and we appreciate that.